Hey, what is up everybody? I hope you are all having a great week. On today's video, I am talking about a premium product, and when I say premium, I mean premium. Alright, so just keep watching. Hey, what is going on guys? So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. I do beard product reviews, occasionally a hair product review, or sometimes just some things that I find helpful for guys. I'll do a review on that stuff too. So if you want to hear stuff like that, if you like stuff like that, hit that little bell next to that subscribe button and you'll know when that happens. Alright, so one of the definitions of the word premium is added value. Alright, so typically in a lot of other very good beard products, especially beard oils or even beard balms, they use about, I'd say, in my experience, I usually get between 4 and 6 different carrier oils that are used in these products. This company, Rock Beard Oil, in their premium line, put 11 carrier oils in this blend. That's like that scene, it kind of reminds me of that scene from Spinal Tap. If you've never seen Spinal Tap, it's a really funny, like, fake documentary about a, British hair metal band. You should watch it because they have this little amp in their, collection, and they were really proud of it because the little dial goes up to 11. Instead of 10 being the loudest, there's 11's the loudest, so it's just kind of, I don't know why, but I just thought of that scene when I'm thinking of this right now. Let me explain how Rock Beard Company, there are different lines. So they offer a select line, and that line uses 4 carrier oils. And in that line, you have grapeseed, sunflower, jojoba, and argan. And so basically in that one, grapeseed and sunflower make up a majority of that mixture, and then jojoba and argan are the lesser. In their choice line, you get more of jojoba and argan. It's the same mixture, but you just get more of the good stuff, okay? So, and that makes that oil heavier than the first one. The variety that I have here, this is their clove and cracked pepper in their premium line. So again, like I said before in some of the other ones, it comes in a classic amber bottle. We got eyedropper, and then, you know, pretty cool, like rock and roll kind of skeleton with a slick back mohawk. Pretty cool stuff. Kind of reminds me of like this alternative luxury kind of feel is what I get off of this packaging. But let me get into those ingredients. So here we go. This is a list of all 11 oils plus the essentials, okay? So we have argan oil, jojoba oil, hemp seed oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, apricot oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil. Frickin' love castor. You know, it always makes a nice blend for me. I always like castor in my blends. Meadow foam, seed oil. I'm not too familiar with that one. And walnut oil. Haven't really seen that used, but I can kind of imagine where walnut oil comes from, alright? And then the essential oils used are clove bud and pink pepper. Very comprehensive blend of oils there. And it shows, guys. This is the heaviest of the 3, and I like a heavier oil. I just do. It just usually means less maintenance. It gives you a lot better conditioning on the long term. And I'll show you how this works now, okay? So definitely get that clove right off the bat. And I will say this too about this company, they tend to mix their scents a little lighter, and this one is probably the most pronounced of the 3 that I've gotten to try. And that's not a bad thing at all. I like it. That's one reason I use these beard oils, because I like how they smell. Definitely get the clove, and that pepper just finishes it out real nice. It just almost carries that end herbal, I guess you do get a little bit of a pepper, but it's more of an herbal pepper. It just kind of carries that clove smell out a little longer. I actually did it. I got to try this during the winter months, and I really enjoyed using this during colder months. The clove really invoke thoughts of warmth, and I just associate clove with warmth and things like that. So definitely something I like during colder months, or even a cool evening if you'd like to wear something there. You can see there, it's got a pretty rich color. You can kind of see that against, there we go. So pretty rich color there. That's always a nice sign. You get a little bit in the hand there, if you can see. Alright. And that clove and pepper just open up, and you just get this really nice, warm herbal smell. That's really what the clove does. And if you're not familiar with clove, you'll probably recognize it when you do smell it, because it's used a lot in potpourri. But this one, just being clove, like I said, just has this nice warm herbal note to it, and it's very nice, and it's subtle enough where you know it's there. The weight of the oil feels really good in my beard, and it just goes in real nice. And you can see, I don't know if you can see some of the shine there, but we've got some pretty decent shine going on. And I'm gonna finish with a brush. Check out Rock Beard Company. They've got some really good stuff going on. What I really like about them is they really are trying to reach everybody, and I think they're doing they have a good strategy there with the different lines they offer, with the Select, Choice, and Premium. Definitely, if you are new to having a beard, you're new to using these beard products, the Select, I would recommend the Select for you because, one, the price isn't going to be too bad, and it's going to let you introduce you to beard oils. I would even recommend the Lavender, which is what I had in the Select. And you can go back to my channel, you can see those videos there. But that one's a good one. It's not a real strong smell. It's still very nice though. And again, you'll get used to using beard oil that way. And then for those of you who are a little more experienced or are really looking for something, try their premium stuff. And I used frankincense and clove and cracked pepper like I just showcased here. Those are both really good if you guys are looking for something different. I liked them because they felt different to me, yet traditional. I know it's kind of weird, but that's what they did. So guys, check out Rock Beard Company at rockbeardcompany.com, and I think you'll be very happy with what they have to offer. They got some other really cool stuff too. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Hit that subscribe button, and I hope you have a great week. Take care.